Hi guys, welcome again to Learning TWI the Fun Way with TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson we have two people that needed something translated. And the first person that needed something translated was Mujib. Mujib, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the things that Mujib wanted to know. The first thing that Mujib wanted to know was, she thinks she is wise. And that in TWI can be said in two ways. And the first way one can say that is, Ɔdwen sɛ ɔnim nyansa. Ɔdwen sɛ ɔnim nyansa. So basically we don't have she or he in TWI, right? It's represented by O, which is basically a person, right? So Ɔdwen is the person is thinking or the person thinks. Say that Onnim, they know. Nyansa is knowledge or understanding. So again, Ɔdwen sɛ ɔnim nyansa. Ɔdwen sɛ ɔnim nyansa. And the second way of saying it is, Ɔdwen sɛ ɔyɛ nyansafoɔ. Again, Ɔdwen sɛ ɔyɛ nyansafoɔ. One last time. Ɔdwen sɛ ɔyɛ nyansafoɔ. So again, Ɔdwen is the person thinks. Say that, ɔyɛ they are. Nyansafoɔ is basically they're wise in short, right? So again, Ɔdwen sɛ ɔyɛ nyansafoɔ. And the second thing that Mujib wanted to know was, you are mad. And that in TWI can be said as Woabɔ dam. Again, Woabɔ dam. And the third thing that Mujib wanted to know was, she doesn't know how to cook. And that in TWI can be said as Onnim aduane noa. So basically, Onnim is the person doesn't know. Aduane is food. Cook is noa. So again, Onnim aduane noa. One last time. Onnim aduane noa. And the fourth thing that Mujib wanted to know was, she will know. And that in TWI can be said as Ɔbenim. Ɔbenim. Again, Ɔbenim. And the fifth thing that Mujib wanted to know was, don't put it there. And that in TWI is Ɛnfa ntohɔ. Again, Ɛnfa ntohɔ. Right? Let's break it down. Fa is take, so Ɛnfa is don't take. To is put, so nto is don't put. Ho is there. In TWI, when you say Ɛnfa ntohɔ, what you're saying is don't take and put it there. So basically, don't put it there. The sixth thing that Mujib wanted to know is, I didn't bring it. And that in TWI can be said as mamfa amma. Again, mamfa amma. Remember, fa is take. Mamfa is I didn't take. Amma is didn't come with it, in short. So I didn't bring it in TWI is mamfa amma. Again, mamfa amma. And the seventh thing that Mujib wanted to know is welcome. And I think nearly everyone here now knows what welcome is in TWI. But for you, Mujib, welcome in TWI is Akwaaba. Again, Akwaaba. One last time, Akwaaba. And the eighth thing that Mujib wanted to know was, my house isn't far. And that in TWI can be said in two ways. And the first way one can say my house isn't far in TWI is, me fie ni akyiri. Again, me fie ni akyiri. And the second way of saying it is, me fie ben ha. Again, me fie ben ha. So me is me, fie is house, ben is it's close, ha is here. So literally what I'm saying is, my house is close by, or my house is close, which in turn means my house is not far. And the ninth thing that Mujib wanted to know was how to say Baabae or bye in TWI, right? Now this can be said in two ways, but the first way one can say this is Baabae. It sounds like the English Baabae, it's a borrowed word, but it's spelled differently. So in TWI, one can also say Baabae, right? And the second way one can actually say it is Nante. Again, Nante. So Nante is walk, ye is well. So literally translated, one would be saying walk well. But in TWI, when somebody says Nante, what they're trying to say is goodbye. So it's either Baabae, the English borrowed word, right? or Nante, which is walk well, or generally known in TWI would be goodbye, right? And the last thing that Mujib wanted to know was, are you tired? Now that in TWI can be said in two ways. The first way one can actually say that is Woabrɛ. Again, Woabrɛ. Last time, Woabrɛ. And the second way one can actually say it is Woabrɛ anaa. Again, Woabrɛ anaa. Mujib, if you need anything translated, just put in the comment section and I'll translate it for you. And the second person that needed something translated was Sasa, or as I call her, Akosia. And these are the things that Sasa wanted to know. The first thing that Sasa wanted me to translate is, every child that is born is a rebirth of an ancestor. And that in TWI can roughly be translated as Akwadaa biara ya wonom yeye nananom a wonom kɔ nsamankyire ɛna yawo wɔn. Let me slow down and break it down, right? So the first part, Akwadaa biara ya wonom, in English would be every child that is born, right? Again, Akwadaa biara ya wonom. Now the second part, yeye nananom a wonom kɔ nsamankyire. So let's break that part down. Yeye nananom a. So nana is grandparents, right? So when you say yeye nananom a, is basically they are our grandparents that wonom kɔ nsamankyire, basically that have passed on. Ɛna yawo wɔn is basically saying that have been reborn. And the second thing that Sasa wanted to know was, remember your ancestors, or never forget your ancestors. And that in TWI can be said as Kai wo nananom a wonom kɔ nsamankyire. Kai is remember. Wo nananom is your grandparents. That wonom they have. Kɔ gone nsamankyire is basically that have passed on. Right? So again, slower. Kai wo nananom a wonom kɔ nsamankyire. And the second part is amma wurenfi wo nananom a wonom kɔ nsamankyire. So amma is don't. Wurenfi is forget. Wo nananom a wonom kɔ nsamankyire is basically your ancestors. And the last thing that Sasa wanted to know was, I'm doing my studying. I'll call you later, so please answer your phone. And that in TWI can be said as, Misua deɛ, mɛfrɛ wo akyiri nti, mepawkyɛw fa me frɛ no. Again, Misua deɛ, mɛfrɛ wo akyiri nti, mepawkyɛw fa me frɛ no. So let's go slower, right? So the first part, which is Misua deɛ, is I'm studying. Misua adeɛ. Mɛfrɛ wo akyiri is I'll call you later. Mɛfrɛ wo akyiri nti, so mepawkyɛw, please fa me frɛ no. Pick up the phone or answer my call. That's it for both Sasa and Mujib. Guys, I hope what I translated was good enough and was clear enough. If it wasn't, please put it in the comment section, then I'll try and elaborate further. Guys, that's it for this week's translation. I hope you guys enjoyed and it was fruitful. I just want to say thank you again to my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here right now. And please remember to get the TWI Junior Pro app. With the app and these lessons, you learn TWI quicker. And guys, if you're not part of the family yet and you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And again, guys, please do take care of yourself. From me, Kwesi, with lots of love. Bye.